Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everybody. How are you? So today I really want to discuss about sourdough being a probiotic. Now, this is such a big myth. Sourdough is not a probiotic. Just imagine it was baked, right? So anything which is baked has definitely killed off the bacteria in the high temperatures in the oven. So what really is sourdough? Sourdough is not made from the yeast, baker's yeast. We put the whole bacterial culture in the dough, allow the bacteria to ferment the wheat. Why is this so important? This is equally important as sprouting, soaking, what I talked about soaking. That soaking also helps us digest and reduce the phytic acid in the grains, lentils, nuts, rice, whatever you want to soak. Beans, I love to soak my beans too. So it kind of pre-digests the whole grain, and that's what's the bacterial culture in wheat sourdough is doing for you. That is where the dough gets its sour flavor from, right? Anything fermented has a little bit of that tangy sour flavor. So when the phytic acid is reduced, which is an anti-nutrient is something which will inhibit the absorption of zinc, magnesium, iron, important minerals and vitamins through your intestines. What really is tayyib? Tayyib food should be absorbing through the body before it leaves the body. If you're not getting sufficient nutrients, vitamins, absorbable nutrient vitamins in your food, there's no point of eating. It's just, eating like an animal. You don't get any benefit out of it. So sourdough contain postbiotics, which means it has some fragments of the cell walls. It has enzymes, it has short-chain fatty acid, it has vitamins and amino acids which are readily available to be absorbed through your gut. But there is a very misconception going around that sourdough has probiotics. It does not have probiotics. It has everything related to nutrients, minerals, and vitamins. But if you want to replenish and repopulate your gut bacteria, you probably need to go to kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, all the probiotic fermented foods. So this was my message out today, and hope everybody's having a good day. Assalamu alaikum.